The reason you can't focus isn't TikTok, it isn't Instagram. It's because your brain has been rewired and you didn't even notice it happening. See, your attention span isn't broken, it's just hijacked. Think about it. Every time you scroll, you're basically feeding your brain spoonfuls of sugar, tiny hits of dopamine, recycled memes, 7-second life hacks, cats that meow like rappers, and your brain gets used to this buffet of instant stimulation. So, when you sit down to read, or study, or even just think, it feels unbearable. Not because the book is boring, but because compared to TikTok, it's broccoli. Healthy, but not addictive. Here's the truth. You don't have a focus problem. You have a junk food problem, just with your mind, instead of your stomach. But here's the hidden cost no one admits. Every time your attention span shrinks, your ability to go deep disappears. And going deep is where the real stuff happens. Progress, mastery, creativity. Think about the last time you tried to study. Remember how you checked your phone just for a second and 20 minutes vanished? That wasn't laziness. That was your brain literally choosing sugar over nutrition. And here's the scary part. The more you choose sugar, the harder it gets to ever enjoy the nutrition. That's why so many people never finish books, never stick to projects, never even hear their own thoughts anymore. So, how do we actually take our focus back? Your attention span is like a muscle. Weak right now? Sure, but trainable. Think of meditation like the push-up for your brain. Every time you sit in silence and catch your mind wandering, you've done one rep. Or think of reading like lifting weights. The first page feels heavy, but push through, and the next one gets lighter. This isn't about deleting TikTok. It's about finding one thing that pulls you in deeper than TikTok ever could. Chess, coding, playing guitar, writing stories. It doesn't matter. What matters is, it's yours. Because once your brain finds something worth focusing on, distractions lose their power. But here's the part most people won't like. Training your attention span feels boring at first. It's supposed to. That boredom, that's withdrawal. Like when you quit sugar, broccoli tastes bland until it doesn't. Same with focus. At first, sitting still feels impossible. But that's just your brain detoxing from overstimulation. Push through that and you unlock a level of focus most people today will never experience. So, the next time you catch yourself saying, I can't focus, remember, your attention isn't broken, it's just malnourished. Feed it with depth, train it with patience, and watch how different your life looks when you finally reclaim your ability to focus. Now the question is, are you willing to feel bored for a while, to never feel distracted again,